Good day mga ka-content creators. Nakadungog na ba mo mahitungod sa spam? In Facebook, there are two kinds of spam. One is spam in content creation, and second is spam in content monetization. These are posts or actions that try to trick the system or the users in order to get engagement, reach, or money without giving true value. Spam in content creation happens when the content creator tries to attract attention. Examples of these are engagement baits. Like when they say, comment yes if you want to win. So that is an example of an engagement bait. Second is misleading captions or thumbnails. Example of this is when they say, watch this video until the end and you will lose 10 pounds in a week. So they will watch the video and find out that it is not true. So this is a misleading caption. So that is a spam. Third is repetitive posting of content like videos, images, or text. So dinhi na mo abot ang mga spammy comments. Spammy comments like, nice, congratulations, great picture. Mura na imong ibalik-balik ng mga comments regardless of the content. So those are spammy comments. Next are low quality content like copied content. So it is one type of a spam. And fake interactions. When you buy your likes, you buy your followers, you buy your engagement. So those are spam in content creation. Spam in content monetization is making money by breaking policy rules. Examples of these are fake raffles, fake contests, fake giveaways. So Meta is very strict on this. So kinahanglan nga maglikay kita sa paggamit og spam. Kana lang mga ka-content creators. Thank you for watching and follow for more.